Welcome, boys and girls, to Goran Guitar. We have Toosii here. Where you been? Alright, so this one's a little bit special because the setup, we have to first tune it down to drop D tuning. I don't have any tutorial on how you do that, so you have to find that on your own on YouTube. And when you do that, you drop down the D tuning there with the E string. Then you need to put a capo on the first fret. So this is the setup for Toosii Where You Been. All right, so with that, we're gonna look at the chords. We have first the A minor. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And that is actually the only chord we need to learn about when it comes to handling the strumming later. So we're gonna just go and dive right into this melody. So we're gonna play A minor like this. Okay, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and then a clap. And then that is open B, first B, open B, and second G. What I do here, I use the hammer on and pull off technique. So I pick the first open B, I hammer on to get the first B. I don't pick it, I hammer on with my index finger on the fretboard, and I pull off again to get back to the open B, and then I pick the second G. So that is the A minor part. Then we have this part. So that is second fret E string, second D, open G, open B, and clap. And then comes the same technique here. On the G string, you're gonna play second G, fourth G, back to second G, and open G. And I use the hammer on and pull off technique again. So I pick the second G, I hammer on the fourth, I pull off the fourth to get back to the second. I hold that in behind of the fourth. So, and then I pull off that to get the open G string there. And then we have this grip. And this could be a little bit tricky to get. Why? Because it's drop D tuning. So this E string is a little bit loose normally. So that can get this scratchy sound if you get with your nails, like I do sometimes. So be aware of that. Anyway, you hold and gonna play open E string, fifth A, third D, second G, and a clap. Pause, and then you repeat that again without the clap, and then you go to fifth E string in the bass, you play that together with open B, then open G, open D, and open G. And that is the end note of the melody. So I'm gonna take you through this slowly, nice and easy, so you see and understand what's going on. There you have the melody that goes from the beginning till the very end. If you want to play this with a strumming pattern, I'm going to give you that now. It's a two-part strumming, all right? So we have to do two parts of it. The first part, if you grab the A minor, will be down, down, up. Okay, and the second part will be clap, up, down, up. So down, down, up, first part, and then clap, up, down, up. That is if you put it together. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. The chord progression now will be A minor. You want to play one full round, both part one and part two. Then you're gonna go to this grip. Since we have drop D tuning, you can just work with the bars. Keep in mind, we have just the strumming on the bass strings for all the other chords. A minor can go all the way, but for the rest of the chords, grips, we're gonna play just on the E, A, and D string and try to stay with that area with your right hand. So the next grip after A minor 1 full round will be this 2nd fret barred, and you're gonna play 1 full round of that. And then you're gonna go open, 1 full round of that, plus part 1. So open will be down, down, up, clap up, down, up, 1 full round, plus part 1, down, down, up. And then you go to the 5th fret and bar that and play part 1 again, the down, down, up. So that is 1 chord progression round with the strumming. So A minor, 1 full round, the 2nd bar, 1 full round, the open bar, 1 full round, plus part 1, and then the 5th bar, part 1, like this. And you can perhaps throw in some notes there, here and there. And that is pretty much what's going on from the beginning till the end. Toosii, where you been? And that's my question to you guys. If it has been a long time since you've been visiting me here in Gordon Guitar, subscribe to this channel and we get the latest updates from me. So thank you for support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.